No music. No music. Hey y'all, it's Michaela and I'm back with another video. So today I'm doing a wig review on JaJa's hair. I got a kinky curly wig in 14 inches. I'll give y'all the specs at the end of the video. But I just wanted to come on here and show y'all what this wig looks like. And I'm going to try to do a wet look, but we'll see how that goes. No promises. So I'm going to put my wig cap on real quick so I can show y'all what the wig look like. I washed the wig. Don't talk about my wig cap. I know you ain't never seen a wig cap with skid marks before. Be quiet. Mind your business. But I washed this wow. I washed this wig last week and I didn't put anything in it. So this is what it looks like. This is how it dried. It has your basic 2 combs on the sides, 1 on the bottom. This is the lace. I didn't do anything to it. I'm probably just gonna put makeup on it because I really don't know how to bleach knots. That's the one thing I don't know how to do. But see what it looks like, just like this. I don't think I could wear the wig just like this because I don't really like big hair. So that's how we're gonna see how it dries down when I put like mousse in it and all that stuff. So this is what it looks like. I probably should do the bob cap method when I glue this down, but probably not going to. It's a lot of work. But I mean, it looks cute, big like this. I don't know. I don't know if I like short hair because my head already big. I just feel like this makes my head look even bigger. But this is the box it came in. They give you your wig cap. This is not my color, but I'll take it. And it comes in a bag that says 14 inches. So I'm gonna go off camera, glue this down, probably put some makeup on, and then I'll come back and we'll try to do this curly hair wet routine. Keyword try. So okay y'all, so I'm back. So I had a little trouble with this wig. I feel like my sides are trying to come up, but I used Got To Be spray and I used the black one. Get it. This one to glue down the front part. So now I'm gonna try to do the wet hair look. So I got some water. I got the Curl Sculpt conditioning cream gel, and I have this foaming mousse. So I'm gonna put some. And let's see what I can do. Like this. So I'm going to probably soak the hair just because. I want it as flat as possible. It's probably enough water, but we'll see. But the pattern is so pretty. Maybe I'll miss it dry. But see the pattern? Like, it's so pretty and kinky. So I'm gonna take some mousse than that, but we're gonna start off with this. This smells so good. This is my first human hair curly wig. I don't really know what I'm doing because I don't do this to my natural hair. Which granted, my hair is like 4B, so. This curl pattern is so pretty. Okay. I don't know if I put enough mousse in the back, but I'll slap some more in there. This look like 14 inches to y'all. I measured it when I first got it, and it is. Because at first I was like, this is not 14 inches. Okay, now I'm taking some conditioning gel. This hair is so pretty. Like, oh yes, I'm definitely gonna have to give me some at least 16 or 18 for the summer. It's so fire. Okay, now I'm gonna do the other side and then I'm gonna come back. Okay, so I'm back. Ooh. Now don't judge my front. I'm gonna make some, let's see what I mean, like it's all bunched up. But that's okay, because I'm not bringing it down anyways. Let me find my toothbrush. See if I could comb these. I feel like I'm gonna mess up my makeup. Oh, I got that part up, kinda. The hair that was all glued down. Okay. Yep, I messed up my makeup right there. Oh well, I'll touch it up. Act like it never happened. My lash coming up. I'm so jealous of people who can put their lashes on correctly. I don't be putting mine on correctly. And when I take pictures, you know how you can see the space between your lashes and the fake lashes? I just Facetune like a little black line so it make it seem like they are lined up. But they don't be lined up at all. Be outside looking a mess. I don't know if I like that baby hair. I don't know how to do my baby hairs for real either. Like some people can do them and they look so natural. And then see. I don't know what to do. Maybe I want to do baby hairs. See, this video is going left real quick. Gonna get upset. Finish up my makeup. Retouch my forehead. This is as good as it's gonna get right now. I don't really know if I like this. I mean, it's cute. I just feel like my head's so big. I don't know, y'all, but I might come back and show y'all how it dried using this stuff. Hopefully it don't get too big. I don't want it big, but hey guys, so I'm back after a million pictures and gajillion hours. No, it's only been like an hour and a half. Not even gonna lie to you, I went outside to take some pictures after I first showed y'all with my middle part. Didn't like it, so I came back in here and sprayed my hair down, and I got my actual curly brush. It's on the floor. I got this. It's my little dupe, my Marshall's dupe. And what is this? Anyways, I sprayed some water, brushed it through, and that's how I got these curls. And then I hurried up and loosed it down. I know I already told y'all this, but this is a rundown just in case you wasn't paying attention. I loosed it down, and then I put this little curl sculpt stuff in my hair. Here we are. Giving you body, giving you real hair. I mean, you can see the lace, but mind your business. So yeah, the specs are, it's by JaJa hair. I feel like I said this 8 million times, probably not. It's kinky curly, 14 inches. It's $68.99 on Amazon right now. I paid like $65 for it a couple weeks ago, so it went up a couple of dollars, but it's still in the 60s. I got it in 2 days. No, I don't got Amazon Prime. Don't ask me. I'm just lucky to be getting my packages early. I did not bleach the knots. Excuse my crust from the got to be, but I just threw it on my head, honestly. It sheds. Just gonna keep it real with y'all. It sheds. Not like a lot of shedding. I guess you say it's normal shedding, but if you don't like shedding wigs, baby, this wig probably will not be for you. What else can I think of telling y'all? I guess that's really it about it. I feel like this wig is a yes. I'm definitely gonna wear it in the summer or in the spring because I'm gonna get my money's worth. I mean, I like it, but I just feel like it's too short for me. I need a little bit more inch. So maybe I'll get like a 16 or 18 from them because I love this curl pattern. It's so pretty. But yeah, baby, I need a little bit more length. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. So yeah. I got a new video coming next week about what's under my wig. So if you're interested, you can watch that in a week or so. And don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you're already subscribed, thank you for watching. And if you aren't, thank you for watching anyways. I mean, y'all did that. So yeah, let me go before this video just ramble on and on and on, because now it's getting awkward and I'm getting weird. So I'm just gonna go before y'all never want to watch another video again. So stay blessed, stay up, bless up, F these men, and go get money, period. And if you got a man, cool. But if you don't, cool. Just ignore what I said. See what I said? How it's getting awkward now. So, bye y'all. Bye.